Hello and welcome to the Embroidery Legacy. In today's video, we're going to be creating this in-the-hoop Jack-O-Sac zipper pouch. This is a perfect project to store your sweets this spooky season. For a detailed list of all the supplies you'll need, be sure to download the printable PDF. Now you'll need a 5x7 hoop, 1 piece of no-show mesh stabilizer, 6 pieces of fabric, painter's or embroidery tape, applique scissors, embroidery thread, and a nylon zipper. We will begin step 1 by hooping our piece of no-show mesh stabilizer. Place it on the machine and run the placement stitches. In step 2, we will lay the zipper on the guide and securely tape each end down. Proceed by running the zipper tack down stitch. For step 3, we'll line up both pieces of our fabric together. Lay the black on top of the orange and lay them face down along the top of the edge of the zipper. Now run the tack down stitch. For step 4, we will fold both of our pieces of fabric right side up and tightly finger press along the fold. Now we are going to run the pumpkin face. In step 5, we will remove the project from the machine, but make sure you keep it in the hoop. Proceed by trimming the black fabric as close as you can to the stitches. Be extra careful not to cut into the stitches. Now place it back onto the machine and continue the following stitches. For step 6, we will sandwich the 2 pieces of fabric together for the bottom section. Place the fabric face down along the edge of the zipper and sew the tack down stitches. Now fold the fabric back over the stitch and tightly finger press the fold. Once your fabric is folded down, we will continue to sew the bottom of the mouth. We will now once again carefully cut away the black fabric, being extremely careful not to cut into the stitches. Simply put the project back onto the machine and run the finishing stitches. For step 8, we are going to run the placement stitch for the stem. Place the stem fabric facing downwards as shown and run the tack down. When we turn the pouch inside out, the stem will pop out. Now step 9 is extremely important. We're going to want to remove the tape from one side of the zipper and open the zipper halfway or more. Opening the zipper will allow us to flip the project right side out. For step 10, we will sandwich our lining and backing fabrics together. Have the outside back fabric face down and the lining fabric face up. Cover the design completely and run the finishing stitches. Now we're almost done. Simply remove the project from the machine and carefully cut away the stabilizer in the zipper area. We're now on to the final step. You're going to want to remove the project from the hoop and trim around the stitch area by about 1/4 of an inch. Now all that's left to do is turn Jack-O-Sac right side out. Congratulations, you've now completed our in the hoop Jack-O-Sac zipper pouch. Be sure to share your results and tag us, as we'd love to see what you came up with. Thank you so much for watching, and have a happy Halloween on behalf of the Embroidery Legacy team.